What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's topic will be wallet and also an exchange. We will talk about XSPA. I will explain you why this is something truly amazing in the crypto space, why do you need it, how to use it, and everything else that is important about the project. Today we are talking about the XSPA or XSPA. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see in front of you is XSPA or XSPA. Before we continue, you need to know that I'm not your financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice, and everything that I'm doing here is for your education and for your entertainment. That means that you need to do your own research before any investment of yours. With that said, let's continue, and the first thing that you can see is that this isn't just a wallet, it's a revolution. So, why do you need this app? You will learn through the video. First guys, crypto wallets are supposed to make your life much easier, but most of them crash, freeze, and also they have hidden fees. Swapping tokens between chains can become a complete nightmare, guys, and also there is that the XSPA is actually coming in and stepping in. First guys, it's very easy to sign up, it's effortless. You can use your Google or email, set up your PIN, and you're completely in. I will also show you in the video later how it works. Need seed phrases and no actual stress, no need for that. So the dashboard is completely clean and it's very simple. All your assets are there, so Ethereum, Solana, BCC, Polygon, BTC, all in just one place. You can send crypto, you can swap tokens on chain and also or cross chain, and you can buy and sell crypto with fiat and effortlessly also in the other way. So, power users can set up more than 50 wallets, casual users can track favorite in their watch list, and also the platform and the wallet is built for degens, for investors, and also for builders. Anyone who wants it, very easy, it's very smooth. So by scrolling down you can see the products and the features. So security and recovery features are there. Swap and bridge engine is also there, which is great stuff. XSPA card is there, which is truly amazing. We will go also through that. Multi-chain wallet is there. So here you can see what XSPA card is. So it's instant spending. You can use your crypto everyday purchase instantly, just like a regular debit or a credit card. Global acceptance is there, which means that you can set crypto anywhere from cards where major cards are accepted and online in store world, which is also cool stuff. Real-time conversion is there, and reward and cashback, which means that you can earn crypto rewards and cashbacks every transaction, turning spending into also earning. We will have the gaming and NFT integration also in the place. So NFT games and assets, XSPA supports NFT assets and gameplay across major blockchains including Ethereum, BCC, Solana, and Bitcoin compatible layers. Whether you are minting collectibles, trading in-game assets, or leveling up your Web3 experience, XSPA keeps you connected. Wallet connection and identity verification. So you can connect your XSPA wallet directly and to supported games for real-time asset access and identity verification. You can enjoy a streamlined experience without swapping apps or compromising security. Token utility and ecosystem. So their token is live and it's XSPA token, and it's the heart of the platform, guys, of their ecosystem. It's dynamic, it's powering a dynamic ecosystem designed to reward users, encourage participation, and drive sustainable growth. So staking is one of them. Cashbacks, so instant earn cashbacks in the XSPA token for liable transactions across their platform. Governments, where you can have you say the future of the platform. XSPA holders can vote on key proposals, from ecosystem upgrades to the partnership integrations, and also access to exclusive things that they will offer. So bunch of utilities for the token, which means that the demand for the token will probably be there. Community and the roadmap starting the Q1 XSPA token launch and wallet development. Q2, which is finished. You can see wallet launch, wallet beta release, XSPA card, NFT collection, wallet audit. Gaming expansion is there, which means XSPA games, wallet enhancements, and also audit and optimization. Q2 and Q3 for 2026 we are having complete DeFi ecosystem, which is NFT marketplace, global marketing, future trading, and also exchange platform launch. So XSPA exchange is coming, XSPA game is also coming. You can go through the token, wallet, and also card. So the token is right here, guys, and this unified token powering XSPA ecosystem, as I mentioned. They're available CoinMarketCap, Radiant, Jupiter, Orca, and also DEX Lab. So here you can see, and what is also important is that they launched their wallet also for the Android and for the iOS. XSPA wallet is also here. So by scrolling down, you can see price alerts are there, address books, XSPA card. You can receive tokens through the QR code. Very simple. So XSPA wallet is more than just a wallet. It's a global movement. They are building decentralized feature by empowering individuals with privacy, security, and open access to digital finance. So manage multiple cryptocurrency, access secure financial tools, and explore the Web3 with confidence, all in one intuitive platform. So whether you're just starting out or a seasoned crypto user, XSPA wallet makes it easy to take control and shape a more exclusive financial world. You can unlock advanced features, so multi-wallet support, instant swap functionality, and XSPA card also. XSPA card is also here, you can check it out, so you can be notified about this. You can set your mail right here, so manage and view all your XSPA card reviews, rewards, stats, and also exclusive perks in one cosmic portal. So check it out, and also you can scan the QR code where you can download their wallet. Now guys, I would like to show you something else, and it's there in the video about the wallet and how easy it is to set it up. So guys, here you can see it's very easy to find the wallet. So XSPA wallet, you can search it in your app store or your or if you're an Android user. Once you do that, just find the wallet and install it. Very simple. To set up, you can see, just get started, check all the things that they are mentioning through the sign up, and from here you can see that you can use Facebook, you can use Google account, Apple account, X, your Discord or LinkedIn. Once you choose the account, you just need to set up the passcode. You can choose between six different numbers. Once you've done that, you can get started. From the first look, you can see it's very intuitive, it's very easy to understand how it functions, it's very user friendly. You can send and buy crypto. You can do whatever you want. You can receive the tokens, send the QR code. You can copy down here. So generally, it's very simple. You can buy it with euros, which means that your fiat currencies to buy any cryptocurrency. You can sell it also in the same place from your cryptocurrency to the fiat currency, which is also great, very fast. You can see all things in the notification. You can see all the stats, how it looks, your total balance. You can see the watch list. You can set it up in the way that you want. You can choose between different settings and setups. You can choose between different teams. So generally, it's a very simple to use this platform. You can also rate them, which is actually very cool. You can support the project if you're interested into something like this, so definitely check it out. If you want to dive deeper into the platform, guys, you can see this is their white paper. You will have all the links. So table of contents is there, what you want to see. Just click to something and you can be directed right there. So the mission and vision, products, ecosystem, XSPA card, XSPA game explained, also exchange and the features that you will have in the platform. Their token explained, all the features, where they're operating, which is the Solana with ERC bridged in the roadmap, 1 billion total supply for the XSPA token that is live. So check it out, guys, understand the project better and deeper and see if it suits your things that you want. On the App Store, you can see that you can find the XSPA wallet. On the other side, you can see they have their official X profile, so definitely follow them. Golden verified badge is there. They have 22,000 followers, and they're updating you about everything. 384 posts are there for the community, so you can complete your XSPA wallet mission, install, register, review, post proof in the comments, and you're able to win 2,000 XSPA tokens. Great stuff. Check it out. It started August 22, so enjoy it, guys, if you're interested in something like that. So check it out. I'm in love with them. The next thing, guys, that I would like to show you is their official Telegram group, which is a great place to connect with the community, to connect with the developers, ask them anything, and find out everything that you want about the project. So XSPA Universe chat is there. They have close to 7,000 members, very active community, so definitely check it out. Also, they have their Instagram. They have 109,000 followers on their Instagram account. So also, they have a bunch of posts. From here you can check a bunch of things, bunch of videos, bunch of amazing posts, so definitely also check it out if you want to support this project. Generally, XSPA is creating something truly amazing. Everything is effortless, completely user friendly, very simple to understand, and you can set it up in a way that you actually want. If you're bored of other wallets that are not working, I think you should try XSPA. Don't forget, I'm not your financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm just here to explain the project. Everything else is on you. I'm not encouraging you to buy anything, but you can try it out. So in the comment section below, I would like to hear from you. What do you think about the XSPA? Please, guys, don't forget that this wallet is live on Android and also for the iOS. so it doesn't matter if you are Android or iOS user. It's set for both. Please guys, check it out. I'm interested. I think this is amazing, so you can actually give it a try. With all of this, I'll finish the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay safe in the crypto space. See you in the next video.